TS4, right now we have a Stanley snap ring pliers here. Right now it had sometimes I get some issues with some of these same snap rings there, going pelting, lost, misplaced, and I finally decided to pick one up as I went in the hardware today. Pick up this and a puller. This one here, I'll do this video after. The next type of puller to buy, the kind of circle one. I need to buy that one also as well. But let me go through this snap ring there. So it does have it in some different languages there. What's the middle one is English. And to show you it have the straight. Also have the 180, 45 and 90. So no matter what angle you're in there, this will be able to fit in. Plus it's not that big as well there, so we're able to fit it in any space mainly. I'm showing you how to disconnect it here. See, look like it has some kind of pin or something right here to go in there. So you'll see that when we open it up. Let's see if you can get it right here. It wasn't that hard to open. Yeah, so this is one of them right here. This one is the 90. The 90 there. So the good thing about this is it comes with all the parts right. So no matter what angle you need it in, you could get it inside. If we take a look at the main pliers itself for the straight. Alright. Yeah, so this works kind of when the opposite normal pliers are custom using. When you squeeze, this opens out instead of the opposite with the normal pliers. And it looks like it has something right here to pull out. Let's see, so it looks like you need to push it in and rotate it for it to straighten up, and then you could get it out. This, switch the head, push it back in, push the spring, and then bring it back out there, and you're good to work again. Yeah, so very nice, everything working good. It does have some pins here you could put it in. It look like maybe it does work the opposite way if you put it inside these pins. Let me check it and see. Yeah, see how it working. Slip. Let me see if we take it out from there and put it there. Yeah, so it look like it clips into place on this one there without. So it have this area and it have this area. Let's see, get it back. Right, so you see it closed there. See it on the next side. It open up here. So it open up here on this one and close on the next. So according to how you want it to move, you could put it to suit with the different holes it have there. This one it close. Once we could get it back in, yeah. Is it on this side? Look like I could put it on any side anyway. Those will still function. Yeah, so that's it. Nice and inside. Put it back in there, put it back inside the case there. This is just for emergency purposes. Got fed up your caught with my pants down there, not having any correct tool and end up in problems. So I'll be adding this to my collection just in case of emergency. I have it to get the job done. TS4 out.